Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 4th July 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, update and some queries. The program must accept a list of integer and a q query as an input. For each query, the program must perform the operation based on the following condition. The conditions are: if the query type is 1, then the program must update the integer list which is given in the range by adding the given value. If the query type is 2, then the program must print the sum of integer in the given range. Let's see. Here, this is the list of integer they have given, and they have passed the query q as 5. So we have 5 queries, right? First, the type is 1. It lies in between the range of 2 and 4, right? Which is nothing but 2 to 4, and the given value is 5. So we have to update the list as 10, 25, 35 and 45, 50, then 60. Then we have get the query type 2, which is nothing but a sum of given range, and the range is 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. The sum values are 10, 25 and 35. 10 plus 25 we will get 35. 35 plus 35 we got 70. That's why we got 70 at the first. And then we are again updating the list from 1 to 6 by reducing 5 in it. So it will become 5, 20, 30, 40, 45 and 55. Finally, we are printing in between the range of 1 to 5, which is nothing but 25, 55, 95, and then 140, 195. Yeah. And then we are printing the range of 2 to 4, 20 plus 30, 50, 50 plus 40, 90. This is how we get the input like this. Same as we have to do the operation for n number of queries and different variants of list with the different values. Let's see in a programmatical way. Here they have used the object oriented method, class and object method. This is the code they have given. We have to create a class integer list for this program to make this program execute successfully. Here I'm going to create a class with a keyword class integer list, and I'm defining a constructor def init, which is nothing but initialization, and then I'm passing the object here with the help of self, and then they have passed the parameter list, right? So I'm passing that argument also. Here I am creating a variable for this object num list named list. This will get the values of list. I'm just using a copy method, which is nothing but it will allocate a separate memory for those, and it will assign the value in those values without sharing the memory. It will share the values but not the memory. You can use different type of copy methods instead of assigning directly. And then we need to do some more definition for the update range. I'm defining update range, and this contains the mm, object parameter left, right, which is nothing but the starting range and the ending range, finally the value. We need to update the list, right? So we need to do that in a recursive or iterative way. For that I'm using for loop for I in range of left -1 because they have used the position in instead of index, and then right, this should be as it is because the loop will run from the given index and the n-1 index, right? So if we specify the right, it will works fine. We have to update the list value, list of I plus equal to value. I'm just using a additional operator, so if we encounter a negative value it will reduce, if we encounter a positive value it will add, so we don't need to worry about it. Finally we have to get the sum value, right? For that I'm defining a method get sum of self, which is nothing but a variable object parameter, and pass the arguments left, right. I'm just returning the return sum of self dot list in the range of left -1 to right. That's it guys, that's it for today's video I guess. Let's see how this code works. Here I'm passing the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then I'm updating. I just need 2 queries. I'm not going to take long. So first for updation I'm just updating all the values from 1 to 5 with the value 10 because it will be easy for me to do additional operation. And then I'm printing all the values, all the sum of range from 1 to 5. We got trace back error, type error, list indexes must be a integer or slices not tuple. So what just happened? Get some. I think update range and the init function works fine. We just got some thing in this left and right. So is this because of my input? No. Okay, let me print it instead of return list of left, right, and then self dot list. Here I'm passing 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. I'm passing 2 queries. One is 1 to 5 updation 10, and the second one is 2 to 1 to 5. We got 1 to 5, right? Yeah, it works fine. Then what the thing that I have missed is colon. Like this semicolon is not here, so its brother colon made me to feel bad about my code. Yeah, Instead of colon I have put comma here, that's why we got that error. So if we run this problem with the same set of input, we will get the proper output, which is nothing but 200. It's shocking. 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60, we will get 60 plus 40 100, and 50 150, then 20 plus 30, yeah, it's 200. Works fine. Yeah, that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for your review. You just need to fill the blank space with this class definition, and if you do that properly, you will get a bronze. See you soon with something else guys. Until then, bye.